So I'm going to get very personal with you guys in this video just to kind of help you understand what I went through in my last heartbreak, which I think was coming up on 2 years now. That was the best relationship I've ever had, and I got broken up with, so rightfully so. And that heartbreak was a nightmare. They always are. I've had a couple in my life, so that's why I'm also very versed to be talking about this, because I've had the experience with women. But I'm going to tell you guys like what I did to be able to, I mean, I'm dating more, I've hooked up with more girls now in the past year than I've ever had, like, commutatively, like, my whole life. So I kind of look, I'm pretty qualified to be talking about this. So if you're in a spot right now where you're hurting, man, look, listen to me. Before I even get into the video, listen to me. It will get better, because two things are going to happen as long as you're improving as a man. Okay, if you're not like one of these losers that just watch all these get your ex back videos and they just hope and pray that their ex is going to come back around, and they're not doing anything to improve as a man, then nothing's going to happen. But what I mean is, if you're improving as a man, even though you're going through pain right now, and that could be learning how to talk to new girls, getting in shape again, or making more money. There's a lot of things as a man that you can do to become more attractive to women. Then you're either going to get your ex back, or you will get somebody better. I don't know when. Your ex may come back around. She might not. And as far as getting somebody else goes, if you learn how to talk to girls again, then you'll eventually find another girl. I'm literally living proof of that, bro. I just had a girl at my house yesterday, and she wants to hang out again on Friday, so we'll see where that goes. So let's talk about kind of what happened. Let's at the start of the breakup. Okay, so I lived with this girl. So I want you to understand, I saw this girl all the time, so I never really gave her time and space away from me like women need. So I saw this relationship go downhill, and there was a lot of different reasons between her and I, but I do look at what I did and I'm like, okay, well, as a man, it's my job to improve. I work for myself, so I've always been big on like self-improvement. And I remember when she broke up with me, this was actually the first girl that I did not beg to get back. This was the first one. And if you begged your ex, I want you to understand that if she does get back with you after you begged her, it's probably from guilt, and that breakup is going to happen again. Because if she already decided that she no longer wants to be with you, then that's why she broke up with you, dog. Like, the only person that can change that is her. And the way women's brains work, their emotions, is you got to get the fuck away from them, and they got to live life without you. Trust me, they will snoop around social media, and they'll hear stuff from her friends. My ex, I remember last time I talked to her at the gym a couple weeks ago, maybe a month ago or two ago. Yeah, I think a couple weeks. She came up to me and she was telling me, she was like, my friend said she saw you on dating apps, and she literally showed me. And I was like, yeah, I mean, I'm dating other women, man. Like, what do you want? I'm not waiting around. And I owned up to that. I'm not waiting on you. You kidding me? I'm dating other girls. She knows that. She's known that, because I have other people that have showed her me on dates with girls. Now, the first thing that happened is, like, when I moved out of that house into my house now, that's when the heartbreak hit me. And at that point in time, man, like, that's where you're going to end. Like, that's where the grieving process starts. Like, you're going to really fucking hurt. And listen, this is what I want to say. As a man, if you want to get angry and you want to like punch a pillow, or don't like punch a wall, don't hurt yourself. If you want to like get angry, go punch a punching bag, go punch a pillow. If you want to cry, go cry. If you want to yell or scream, go yell or scream. Just do it by yourself. Okay, the way the nervous system processes emotions is by talking about things, or by like letting that negative energy out. That's why, like, when you work out, if you're pissed off or stressed, you kind of feel better, because you're letting your nervous system release all of that energy. That's motion, and talking about like bad things kind of makes you feel better. There's not a better way to explain it other than that. That's why, like, if you have like a mini trampoline, I've never seen anybody upset on a mini trampoline. That motion makes you happy. But that's what's gonna happen, man. It's like you're gonna get in a lot of pain. And men are taught, like, oh, don't show emotions, it's bad. Well, don't show emotions and cry to a woman. But if you've got guy friends that you can talk to about this, talk to your guy friends. But I'm just saying that this is, I'm literally telling you, like, if you're upset and you want to cry or whatever, do it. Don't stop yourself, but do it, because your body is trying to process like the reality of you no longer being with this girl. You have to let that happen, because if you don't, then this heartbreak is going to last longer and longer and longer. But the sooner you start processing this, the faster this pain's going to go away. From here and then, I got emotional, I think, for like the first like 3 months. Like, it was like terrible the first month, and then it just got progressively less. And now I can look at my ex or talk to my ex, and I'm not hurting anymore. Like, I'm not hurting. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, it goes away. But you have to process that. Now, while you're processing, the entire time you're going through this breakup, I don't think that you should start talking to other women until you've healed, like until you're ready to move forward. So for me, because I've had several girlfriends I've had my first girlfriend, I'm 30 now. I was 27 or 28 when that happened. And I'm 30 now. My first girlfriend was at 15. So I've got a lot of experience with women. Okay. So heartbreak gets easier every single time you go through it, but like, it never goes away. You know, like, I mean, like that pain, like the heartbreak doesn't just get better, but it gets, you know what to do the older you get. So what I'm saying with that is, there's guys that told me like the best way to get over somebody is to get under somebody. And yeah, like you can have sex with another girl and that can distract you, but that's not going to help you process the breakup. So even though you're being distracted, you're still like, your emotions are still going to catch up to you. That's why I say, from personal experience, I would just stay away from girls for the first like 3 months. You might be able to, make things happen sooner or maybe later. You don't want to talk to another girl and then let's say like all of a sudden you're like complaining about like, oh, my ex did this and I miss my ex and blah blah blah. You should be able to talk about the relationship and what your ex did and be done with it. Okay, don't ever talk bad about your ex to a girl, because then the girl is going to think, well, if I date him and it doesn't go well, he's going to talk bad about me. Okay, so don't ever do that. Like this girl, I tell people all the time, this is a phenomenal girl, and she is, and I mean that. This is a wonderful woman. And I want nothing but the best for her. I've even told her that. But I mean it. Now, while you're going through this breakup, remember how I said it's your man's job to learn from it to improve. During this time, if you stopped going to the gym, you need to get back to the gym. If you need to learn how to cold approach girls or to talk to girls again because you haven't done it in a while, then you need to study and learn how to do that. And then, now granted, you're going to want to get to a point in your life where you're able to go and practice doing that. Because when I started with cold approaching girls, and I'm in a wheelchair, dog, so trust me, I have it harder than you. I think I even started at the gym, because I meet most of the girls I talk to at the gym, because it's just a place I go to all the time. There's girls there. So with that, I keep looking at my phone. Let me turn it over. With that, if you're going to learn how to cold approach girls or talk to girls again, then I would get to a point where you're okay to do that. But if maybe you need to get a different job and make more money, then find a way to get a new job and make more money. Okay, but if you can, I can look back at my relationship and I can pinpoint my behavior, and now I know I was acting like a fucking girl, so I deserve to be broken up with. I 100% deserve that. But now I know I went and learned how to fix that behavior. I had to be taught how to be a man by other men, because I never had a dad in my life teach me how to fucking be one. So when I film videos like this, buddy, I've got 15 years of experience of dating girls, but the entire time I never had a guy tell me how to be a man. I had to learn this shit on my own. And then it wasn't up until a couple years ago where I started studying and working with people way older than I was that actually could tell me what the fuck I need to be doing. That's why I'm filming these videos now, to help you, man. I don't want you going through the same pain that I was. So we know first step of getting through this breakup, first step is you got to process your emotions. Otherwise, this heartbreak is never really going to end. Okay? You got to be able to process that. So if you want, that's why I said, feel your emotions. Just do it by yourself. Do not text your ex. Do not text your mom. Do not text your sister. Do not talk to a woman about your relationship. Women will not tell you what you want to hear. They will tell you something that does not hurt your feelings. if you're going to talk to somebody about it, it needs to be a man. Because that man, if it's me, is going to be able to say, hey, you're a fucking dumbass. For this is what you did. No wonder why you got broken up with, dude. That's what I mean, guys. Talk to men, because men are going to tell you what they want, what you need to hear, not what you want to hear. And because men are not afraid of hurting your feelings, that's why it's better to talk to a man. We also deal with this stuff first-handed, man. So the whole time of this breakup recovery, the faster you do this, by the way, there's no timeline of when you're actually going to get over her. There's no timeline. But the sooner you start processing and the sooner you start becoming a better man, the faster you're going to allow yourself to start talking to other women. And I can tell you from experience, when you get over when you're at a point where you're ready to start dating other women. So for me, it was about the 3-month mark. I've got one girl right now. I just matched with the girl on Facebook. So dating apps never really go anywhere. But I've got a girl right now that's texting me. She sent me a text 30 minutes ago. When, if you're talking to a girl and you're only talking to one girl and she just disappears on you. So in this case, let's say you're wanting your ex back and you don't have another girl to talk to distract you, you're going to keep thinking about your ex. But remember, I told you, at this point, if you're ready to start dating other women, another woman's going to come into your life. And if you get her number and you guys are talking, well, you're interested in getting with that girl. So that's not like a distraction that's gonna bite you in the ass later. But I'm telling you now, I date multiple women. I've got one girl that I had over yesterday. I've got one girl I'm texting now that I want to date. She said she's not gonna be available until probably next week. So and I just matched with another girl. I've got several different women at this point in time that I can talk to. That's what I'm trying to say, guys, is if you're not in this position, and you're not going to be for the first couple months, then the heartbreak is going to be worse and you're going to miss your ex a lot. But the sooner you start improving yourself as a man and getting that confidence back, because that will come back. That's why I said it's going to take some time, but the faster you start improving, the sooner that confidence is going to come back. If you look at the Mitchell that I was when I was heartbroken, that was pitiful. But the man I am now, man, another fucking level. I 10x'd the man that I am now because of everything, all the time, all the money, all the effort, and all the help that I went out and got to get over that heartbreak. And I wouldn't be the man I am today, is what I'm saying, if it wasn't for that relationship. I needed that relationship to catapult me into being the man that I am now, to catapult me into learning all of the things that I now know and I've internalized and that I now teach you. This is why I'm saying, the fastest way to get over her, there's no time frame. I'm not going to give you a time frame like some of these other get your ex back coaches do. There is no fucking time frame. It's been 2 years and I still think about my ex from time to time. And the reason why is because I'm not in an official relationship with another girl. So for me, dating for me goes in spurts. There are times where I get a lot of women and I don't think about my ex. And then there's times where I don't have any women. So I think about my ex, and I don't miss the ex. I miss the companionship that I had with the woman, and my brain can only go back to my ex to get that. So if you guys didn't know that, now you do. Okay, so if you're missing your ex, and if you're talking to other girls right now and you're like, oh, I miss my ex, you don't miss the ex. You miss a relationship is what you miss. Because if you're honest with yourself, bro, I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I tried to leave this girl, I think 4 different times, but yet I kept finding a way to stay. And that's because men, it's hard for us to get into relationships. So of course, when we invest time, money, effort, and energy into this relationship with this girl, and we love her and we would die for her, we're going to want to hold on to that. Men are fixers. That's what we do. It's our relationship's breaking. I need to fix it. And unfortunately, that's the fucking opposite of what you need to do. And because I kept staying to fix that, she eventually broke up with me. And I got what I deserved, a heartbreak, because rejection breeds obsession. That is why you think your ex is the greatest thing in the world, even though you can be honest with yourself. If you look back at that relationship, if it didn't work out, there was probably a time or 2 or 3 or 4 where you knew that relationship wasn't going to work out and your partner just pulled the trigger faster than you could. That's just the reality. So getting over your ex is, I just literally laid out it's literally just 3 steps. Process your emotions. So feel your feelings. Start finding things that you can work on as a man, and you're going to be hurting this entire time. But during this entire time, you're going to be grieving this breakup like in different stages, and it's going to get easier and easier and easier. So while you're improving, while you're learning how to make more money, while you're working out, while you're learning how to cold approach girls, you're still going to be like grieving when you're by yourself. You're still going to get mad. You're still going to want to cry. You're still going to be sad. Like, it's okay. You let yourself feel that, dog. And if you have guys that you can talk to that are willing to listen to you, talk to those guys, because you'll process faster, and then they might be able to tell you something that you couldn't see, but now you're aware of, so then you can go learn how to fix it. So that's why my channel is, I'm not just a dating coach. I'm literally, I teach men male to female dynamics. Like, if you watch my channel, you will have better long-term relationships, because I went out of my way to study and learn all this stuff. And I had to, because I'm telling you from experience, I fucked up a couple different times with a couple different girls that I was forced to be in this position because I was hurting so bad that I didn't want to be in it anymore. This is why coaches can coach, because we've done it. We've got the experience. And we also learn from other people. So we're learning. I had some asshole the other day tell me that I look like I'm somebody that doesn't have any experience with girls. Are you fucking kidding me? I've got 15 years, bro. But I'm telling you this one, man, it gets easier. Like, that's why I say in time, as long as you're going out and like at some point, as long as you're talking to other girls, this heartbreak will get better. The sooner you start processing, the sooner you start working on yourself, and the faster you're going to move on from this. Okay. So this is the whole time frame, guys. I know, like I said, I'm not giving you like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months bullshit like some like these dating coaches do, because everybody processes things differently. How soon you allow yourself to start is going to determine when you're allowed to move on from this or not. So if you like this video, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And gentlemen, I have an offer that I want to make you. First 3 guys that apply to work with me, that I take on, I'm going to allow in for free. But I just released a new 8-week one-on-one personal coaching program where you're going to work directly with me to achieve whatever goal that you want to achieve. I help men become better men, understand women like I did in this video, and have more or better relationships with women. And again, my videos prove that by teaching. So the first 3 guys that apply to work with me that I take on get to work with me for absolutely free. After that, it'll be $19.97. So if this is something you want help with, if you trust me to help you, go ahead and book a time to speak with me. Hurry up, because these slots will fill up fast. With that being said, gentlemen, if you want to understand women better, check out one of these 2 right here. Guys, hey, see you in the next one.